Hello and welcome. I'm Luke Lingle with Brentwood, and today we're here to discuss VF3800 and VF5000. Both the VF3800 and VF5000 are vertical fluted film fills used in counterflow cooling towers. These glued products are made in US standard units, so the air travel is 24 inches for both products. They are available in a range of widths, lengths, and sheet thicknesses to meet your tower's needs. Both products are specifically designed for dirty water applications with 1.5-inch high flutes on the VF3800 and 2-inch high flutes on the VF5000. The vertical design allows for less fouling due to a less aggressive microstructure, as you can see here. This enhances the air and water mixture but still lends itself to more fouling prevention. These products are drop-in ready to replace fill for existing towers utilizing water from rivers, lakes, and oceans for cooling. The VF3800 and VF5000 are the perfect products to keep high fouling resistance while having better efficiency than a splash fill. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Tech Refresh. Please check out our website to learn more about the VF3800 and VF5000 and other Brentwood products. Until next time, keep it cool.